Pulit jong ka East Castles District, hanin ka singi ka Shiphotrek o Kalalingkon. Kilalom na ka jelang ka bakar pang ya Baroh ki try hotel Hasadar Police Station. Banya piliw jing mon kumno bante la kami ki kam auria ki bersedang banjelai hakani ka nong ba shulong. Hakani ka jelang kiladan palat prapulai ngot ki try hotel. Ki bahawa po ka jing pet jong ka Hasadar Police Station kilawan ni shimbenta. Habakren haka jelang USPCT Shillong ba Vivex AM ulakan tu ki try hotel ban Pyndait no dagi closed circuit televisions ne Cctv. Baroh ki hotel kanang ki Pulit kensok habaki wa ki brio ki bele comes new but yakini ki CCTV de ban bu ki jakarong but ki badeiru banlong batrikam arpsau kunta kani ki jingkhot jelang ki Pulit ki try hotel kalong hadin ki jingja marvelin in kabarang haril bong hakabaka khanna kabarang khatsau snem karta kalasha pun bor ka kam khayimet but sha le bi jot habon ngot ki brio.
I don't know how many of you are given a performer for you to fill up, but if you don't have your CCTVs, please put in place your CCTVs at the earliest. Make sure your CCTVs are working. Get a service provider who's a local service provider so that in case your CCTV goes spoiled or needs repair, you can immediately do it. Have enough storage space for at least minimum of 15 days minimum. Have your CCTVs installed at the entrance. When you're looking at your CCTVs, it just doesn't mean that you're seeing heads moving around. It should capture the countenance. That means the face of the person should be captured. Have your CCTVs not only inside, that means in the common passageway, but also outside. That will be very important. A lot of events happen outside the hotel, just outside the hotel, but has some relation with the hotel. Next thing is your registers. Please maintain your records properly. Now when you're taking the name of a person, you're taking not only that person who's actually the name you're doing is in his name, but you also suppose now he has wife, child, what is the relationship? All those people have to be entered. What we see usually is a person may book a room. An acquaintance, a friend would be coming, but that person's name is never there. It's only the name of one person. Yes, you may book the name of that person will be paying, but you have to enter the names of the other people who are with him. Make sure that you are getting a copy of that ID. That is very, very important, and that you have to comply with objections, whereby you have to send to the Thana.